Hello, welcome to our channel. Today, we will discuss a crucial process known as autophagy. What is autophagy? Autophagy is essentially your body's cellular garbage collection and recycling program. It's a natural, fundamental process where your cells identify and break down old, damaged, or dysfunctional components. Things like worn-out proteins, broken organelles, and even invading bacteria, and then recycles those raw materials to build brand new, healthy cell parts. It's like a built-in renewal system. So why should you care about this microscopic process? Because autophagy is absolutely critical for your health, disease prevention, and yes, even potential longevity. Here's how autophagy helps your body. First of all, autophagy helps with disease prevention. When damaged cellular components accumulate, they can contribute to a whole host of age-related diseases. Think of neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, where protein clumps are a major issue. Autophagy actively clears out these harmful aggregations. The second benefit from autophagy is its anti-aging function. As we age, our cells naturally become less efficient at cleaning themselves. By stimulating autophagy, we can potentially slow down cellular aging and maintain youthful cellular function. The third benefit is improved cellular function. Autophagy helps maintain healthy mitochondria. Those are the powerhouses of your cells. When mitochondria get old or damaged, they don't produce energy efficiently and can even release harmful byproducts. Autophagy steps in with a special process called mitophagy to remove these faulty power plants, ensuring your cells have a fresh, efficient energy supply. The fourth and final benefit is immune system support. By clearing out intracellular pathogens like viruses and bacteria, autophagy also plays a role in boosting your immune response. In essence, an active autophagy process helps your cells stay resilient, efficient, and better equipped to handle stress. So if autophagy is so amazing, how do we get our bodies to kick this incredible process into high gear? The good news is, you have a lot of control. The primary triggers for autophagy revolve around cellular stress, but the good kind of stress. One trigger for autophagy is caloric restriction and intermittent fasting. This is probably the most well-researched way to induce autophagy. When your body senses a scarcity of nutrients, particularly sugar and amino acids, it triggers autophagy to recycle internal components for energy and survival. Intermittent fasting, like the popular 16-8 method, eating within an 8-hour window and fasting for 16, or even longer fasts, are excellent ways to activate this pathway. It's not about starvation. It's about giving your digestive system a break and allowing your body to switch from growth mode to repair mode. Another trigger is exercise. Get moving. Physical activity, especially more intense workouts, has been shown to induce autophagy in various tissues, including your muscles, brain, and liver. It's another form of healthy stress that tells your cells that it is time to clean up and get stronger. The final trigger is specific foods and compounds. The research related to specific foods and compounds is at present limited. While not as potent as fasting or exercise, some natural compounds found in certain foods are thought to have autophagy-boosting properties. Things like resveratrol, found in red grapes and berries, curcumin from turmeric, EGCG from green tea, and spermidine, found in aged cheese, mushrooms, and legumes, are being studied for their potential roles. However, it's generally best to focus on the bigger levers, like fasting and exercise. Now, for the big question, does autophagy really extend life? In many organisms, from yeast and worms to fruit flies and mice, the answer is a resounding yes. Studies have consistently shown that enhancing autophagy can lead to a longer and healthier lifespan in these creatures. For humans, it's more complex, as direct longevity studies would take decades. However, the scientific consensus is strong. By improving cellular health, preventing disease, and maintaining optimal function, autophagy is a crucial mechanism for healthy aging and likely contributes to a longer, higher quality life. Think of it this way. If your cells are constantly repairing themselves, clearing out damage, and staying efficient, they're simply going to perform better and last longer. Autophagy is a core component of this cellular resilience that we see in individuals who age gracefully and remain disease-free. The goal isn't just to live longer, but to live better, and autophagy is a key player in achieving that. However, before you jump into a 72-hour fast, it is crucial to add a few words of caution. First, you must listen to your body. Autophagy isn't about extreme deprivation. Start gradually with methods like 16-8 intermittent fasting. If you feel unwell, lightheaded, or have underlying health conditions, pushing too hard can be detrimental. Second, intermittent fasting and extreme caloric restriction are not suitable for pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with a history of eating disorders, or those with certain medical conditions like diabetes or taking specific medications. Third, always talk to your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have pre-existing health issues. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual health profile. Fourth, and most important, even during your eating windows, it's vital to eat nutrient-dense, whole foods. Autophagy helps you recycle, but you still need quality building blocks. The key is a balanced, informed approach. Don't chase extreme results. Aim for sustainable habits that promote cellular health. So there you have it, the incredible power of autophagy. This ancient cellular process is a true secret weapon in your body's arsenal for health and longevity. By understanding it and making conscious lifestyle choices, you can potentially unlock its amazing benefits. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into health and wellness.